As you can tell by the title, I am making street tacos. Yes, beef street tacos. I have onions here, jalapeno. I have ground beef. So add the ground beef. This is ground chuck. The meat. So a little salt. A little pepper. What else? Onion powder. I got the seasons, flavors. Garlic powder. Lemon pepper. Teaspoon size. And that cumin, baby. I'm going to put it to the side. My onion. So I'm going to cover this up. Some queso cheese, baby. And good old Mexican cheese. A little white. Potatoes. Ooh. Ooh. Let's build these tacos, baby. So we're going to do the meat. Do the beef meat. So look at the onions. Look at that. Look at the onion. Add some. Ooh! Yes, baby. Okay, what else? Some jalapeno. Y'all know I like it spicy. What? Cheese. Gotta crumble that. Here you go. Homemade street tacos my way. Baby. Now my cat wanted me down. So let's try them. Add some red sauce. I'm gonna squeeze me some lime. Mm. 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 Y'all, so yummy. I'm losing my glasses. Mm. Have fun.